Hey guys, it's Josh over here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I have a brand new boat to show you. It is a 2027 Bennington 22 SSR. This is a tri-toon. We've got the SPS package on this boat. This boat's in the midnight blue color with the blackout Lux package. So we have the anodized aluminum rails and the black rub rail insert on this boat. We've got our integrated dock and nav lights. Let's walk around to the back and I can show you some more features. Hey guys, we're back at the rear of this 22 SSR. As you can see, we have a lot of space back here. This is the extended aft deck on this boat. We've also got a ski tow bar. And then on the back of this one, we've got a Mercury 200 horsepower outboard. And over here on the starboard side, we have our lily pad ladder. So it's super easy to retrieve and deploy. It's spring and cable assisted. We've got really wide steps that make it easy to board. Speaking of boarding, let's hop up there and take a look inside. Hey guys, welcome aboard the 22 SSR. Up here in the bow, we have a table center line. We've got chase lounges on either side. Up underneath our chase lounges, we have our roto-molded seat bases with water channeling gutters. Back here behind this backrest, we have a trash can that's tucked away. Moving towards the helm, we have a fiberglass console. We've got analog gauges and switches. We have a Garmin center line on the dash, as well as Rockford Fosgate audio throughout this boat. We've got our tilt steering wheel. And then moving over here to the port side, we have a matching co-captain's chair. And moving back to the rear, we have our stern radius seating. So we've got two more chase lounges in the back with storage underneath both backrests and underneath the bench seats themselves. Also more cup holders and the little cubby tucked away in the lumbar area. This boat's going to be equipped with a 10-foot manual bimini top. So it gives you plenty of shade when you're out there on the water. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, or you'd like to come see it in person, just give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.